So what does a risk score of a 73 actually mean? Let me break it down for you. So in the last video, we used a sample address from Chula Vista, California. I'm going to check the risk to start the introduction of it. San Diego County, you can see overall natural hazard risk very high. This doesn't mean that you should avoid the property, just showing you what is the natural federal risk that the government has seen that affects that area. So it shows that in this area, floods and wildfires could be very high, relatively high, earthquakes. And to understand these ratings, it's just saying this preview tool shows potential natural hazard exposure on FEMA's National Risk Index. That's all it's showing. So you can get a property report specifically to this property, or we're going to go to the risk score. So you're going to click there. You get 7 plus a 3 free daily. So you have 10 risk scores. So let's put in the address from earlier, 1042nd Avenue, Chula Vista, analyze the risk. And then you'll see a more detailed from the homepage. So you'll see that in San Diego County, it is ranked against 3,100 U.S. counties. And once again, it's not a probability of disaster. A high score means your county faces more natural hazard than most, not that a natural disaster is likely. Most coastal and metro areas rank higher than rural inland. So you can see here, the flood is 99.8, hurricane is 8.3, tornado 64.4. And I know common sense says, man, if it's anything over 60 or 70, no pun intended, then man, that's probably high risk. It's just showing what the risk area is based on past events. Okay, doesn't mean it is indicative of what's going to happen in the future. Okay, but if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see that you can see understanding your scores, understanding what this all means specifically, because the data is sourced from multiple federal agencies, including FEMA's National Risk Index. Okay, and from here you can go ahead and purchase a one pack, a 5-pack, or a 10-pack to start your journey in understanding property risk and what is involved there. So this isn't a pass or a fail. It's about awareness. Most people aren't aware. Some people are okay with the property risks that surround outside the structure, and some people are not willing to do it. And if you're buying or renting, you deserve to know. That's pretty much it, okay? That's a wrap for this video. In the next video, we're going to go section by section through the full report.